Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sell a PDF on Gumroad. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just come here to gumroad.com and click on start selling. Then just log in. You can log in with Facebook, Google, X, or even Stripe. I'll log in with our Google account right here. Just select your Google account and just authorize permissions, or click here on continue, and then it would redirect us. And now they've sent us an authorization token to our email. So just go ahead and open up your email address right here. And in your inbox, you should see the authentication token. There we go. This is the authentication token right there. Copy and then just paste it here on Gumroad. Click on login. And now here on your dashboard, click on products. Then you just go ahead and scroll down, click on a new product. Just choose digital product. Okay. You can set a name. Let's just do PDF test. So that's the digital product. That's the name. You can set a price for your product. Okay. Let's say it's $1. And then all you need to do is click here on next. We'll be customizing this. So now we need to upload right here. So you can go ahead and scroll down. Okay, you'll see all the details you can go ahead and add. This will just be for the cover. So we'll upload that. So let's look for a cover for our book. Say this one right here. That will be the cover of our PDF. So we'll upload that. Okay. Let's click on open. Now that we have our cover, you can upload a thumbnail as well if you would like. The main thing is here the content. Now that is our cover, by the way. So our content is where we need to go ahead and upload our file. So click here on upload, then click on computer files, browse through your file explorer, find the PDF that you wanted to upload. Let's say this one, click on open. And then all you need to do once this has been done uploading, I want you to come here at the top, click on publish and continue. That's literally all you have to do. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.